Can Appfolio replace QuickBooks? Can Appfolio replace QuickBooks? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. So Appfolio cannot fully replace QuickBooks for general accounting needs. So Appfolio cannot fully replace QuickBooks for general accounting needs because Appfolio is designed primarily for property management, while QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting platform for businesses across various industries. If your core operations involve or revolve around managing rental properties, Appfolio can basically handle many accounting tasks, but for broader business accounting, QuickBooks remains essential. So if you were wondering, can Appfolio replace QuickBooks? It cannot fully replace QuickBooks for general accounting needs. Appfolio is designed primarily for the property management industry, while QuickBooks offers a comprehensive accounting platform for businesses across all industries. So if you're going to be looking at Appfolio, the primary usage is property management, whereas QuickBooks is designed for general business accounting. And in terms of accounting on Appfolio, it's just about rent collection, owner statements, and property specific ledgers, while QuickBooks is a full double entry accounting, payroll, invoicing, tax prep system. So again, you cannot fully replace QuickBooks with Appfolio.